Benefits of aloe vera. Nature's pharmacy in a single plant. Aloe vera has been used for centuries to heal, soothe, and nourish. From digestive health to skin care, aloe vera, a succulent plant, has been celebrated for its health benefits for centuries. Known for its thick, fleshy leaves filled with a clear gel, aloe vera is widely used in various medicinal, cosmetics, and wellness applications. Here, a comprehensive look at the benefits of aloe vera. Number 1. Skin health and healing. Aloe vera gel is a natural moisturizer that hydrates the skin without clogging pores, making it suitable for all skin types, particularly for sensitive or oily skin. Soothing sunburn and burns. Its cooling properties soothe skin, making it an effective treatment for sunburn, mild burns, and skin irritations. Aloe vera help in regenerating skin cells, accelerating the healing process. Anti-aging properties. Aloe vera contain vitamin C and E and beta carotene, which provide anti-aging effects. These antioxidants help to improve skin elasticity and reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Acne treatment. Aloe vera antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties can reduce acne and prevent future breakout by soothing inflamed skin and helping to heal minor wounds. Promotes digestive health. Lactic effect. Aloe vera latex has a natural laxative effect, aiding in relief from constipation. It should, however, be used in moderation due to its potency. Reduce inflammation. Aloe vera has anti-inflammatory properties that can soothe the lining of the digestive tract, which may help people suffering from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. Boost gut health. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help break down sugar and fat, promoting healthy digestion. This can enhance nutrient absorption and support gut flora balance, which is essential for immune health. Number 3. Support immune system. Antioxidant properties. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin and minerals that provide antioxidants which protect the body from oxidative stress and free radical damage. This can help in enhancing the body immune response. Antibacterial and antiviral effects. The polysaccharides in aloe vera have antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it beneficial for supporting immunity and preventing infection. Number 4. Oral health benefits. Reduce plaque. Studies have shown that aloe vera juice can help reduce dental plaque build-up due to its antimicrobial properties, making it a natural alternative to mouthwash. Soothes gum inflammation. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effect can also soothe gum inflammation, reduce bleeding, and assist in treating gingivitis. Heals mouth ulcer. Aloe vera can speed up the healing of mouth ulcer or canker sores, providing a cooling effect that helps reduce pain and inflammation. Number 5. Promotes hair and scalp health. Aloe vera has antifungal properties that help reduce dandruff and dry scalp. It also hydrates and balances the pH of the scalp, reducing itching and flakiness. Nourish and condition hair. The nutrients in aloe vera include vitamin A, C, and E, promote healthy hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp, thus nourishing the hair follicles and reducing hair breakage. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzyme which help repair dead skin cell on the scalp and strengthening hair strands, leading to smoother and shinier hair. Number 6. May help regulate blood sugar levels. Some studies suggest that aloe vera may help improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar level, making it a natural supplement for people with type 2 diabetes. However, further research is needed and it should be used under medical supervision for this purpose. Number 7. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Relieves muscles and joint pain. Aloe vera anti-inflammatory compounds such as salicylic acid can provide relief for sore muscles and joint pain. It can be applied topically or taken orally in small amount for internal inflammation. For arthritis sufferer, aloe vera may reduce stiffness and improve joint mobility when applied to affected area. Number 8. detoxification. Aloe vera juice aids in detoxifying the body due to its high water content and array of vitamins and minerals, which can support the liver and kidney, aiding in flushing out toxins. Satisfy and concentration. Generally safe for topical use, however, those with sensitive skin may need to do a patch test. Oral consumption. Aloe vera gel is safe for consumption in moderate amount, but aloe vera should be used cautiously due to its potent laxative effect and potentially for causing digestive distress. Consult a doctor. Those with pre-existing medical condition or who are pregnant should consult a healthcare professional before consuming aloe vera orally.